Okay, so today we are going to be making a pie. First, you'll be needing foil, green chalk pastel, balls, a little Tupperware thingy, liquid clay, nail polish, paintbrush, a scooper, a bottle cap, tan clay or brown, and chalk pastels. Also, a blade. First, let's take your balls and your cap or Tupperware and liquid clay. Your scooper too, and the green chalk pastel. So first, let's open your liquid clay and pour some into here. You don't have to do too much. Next, take your green balls. Make sure you bake them. Make sure you make them before you put them in, and you have to bake them. Okay, take them and put them in there. You can mix it up. But first, you're going to, after you finish mixing up your green balls, take your green and blade and just put some into the thing. And then, once it's like that, mix it up, and then the white will become green. If it's not a lot, you can just keep adding it until it gets to the green you like. You shouldn't do it too dark because it will be too dark for the thing, and the color that we are using, it will not match. Just mix it around until it becomes good. There we go. That's a good enough green for me. Okay, since we have that done, put that to the side. And also, if you have any wipes on hand, keep wipes near you, so when you need them, they're right there. Okay, take a wipe and just clean off your scooper because you might be using it again. Okay. After that is done, take your bottle cap and your clay. Just take off a section because you're not going to be needing the whole thing. And all you have to do is just flatten it out. Okay, until it's big enough to fit your cap. There. Okay, while you got that done, you're going to take some scrap clay. And put them into the cap and make sure it smooths that. It'll be best if you roll it into a ball first and then put it on your thing. There we go, like that. Then take your clay right here and just put it on. And then if the excess, just just cut it off. There we go. Looks like that. Then you're going to take your balls and your scooper and scoop it into the pie. A tip is do not use too much liquid clay because it will ruin the whole thing. It's fine to use a little bit, but like not too much. And if you need any help with scooping everything off your scooper, just take your blade and put it on there. Okay, so now we are going to be using the extras of your clay, and then you are going to be smushing it into a nice little pancake. Like that. Okay, like that. Then it's nice like a pancake, and then take your blade, okay, and just make sure the ends are nice and straight. Go, just cut off the edges to make it nice and even into a square. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it looks like a block. Okay, then you are going to take your clay, not your clay, your chalk pastels, brush, and brush it on lightly. Like that. There we go. Looks like it has a little bit of color to brown. And then for texturing, take a foil and just put it down lightly. Okay, right there, it looks like that. Textured. Then take your blade again and just cut it into nice long rectangles. Try to make them a little even. Doesn't have to be all completely even, but try to make them even. Go, got one. Try to get 8 of the strips. There we go. That. Go. And then have it right here. There we go. There we go. We got 8, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, perfectly. Okay, next, take 3 of them, like that. Can you see? Right here. 3, and then remove the middle one. Then place an extra one of the 8 on the bottom right there. Then place back the middle one, like that. Then we have to fold the tops and take one of them, of the extras, and move it right here like an inch. Sorry, this piece of clay will not move. Do I want him to move? There we go. Okay. There, like that. Then put the clay back. Where it was. Then move the middle one and put this one there. Put the middle one back. Just keep repeating the pattern until you're all done. But this one I'm gonna have one left over. There. There we go. Should look like a little bit like that. But I have one left over, so we can put that back into our extras pile. Out of the way. Then we take it off. Then take that and place it on to your thing. There we go, and just press it on like that. It looks kind of weird, but once you bake it and stuff, it looks nice. Then take off the excess of it. There we go. More to go into the excess pile. Yeah. Then it looks like that. A nice little pie. There we go. Then you are finished with your pie. Bake it at 250 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And if you wanted to make it glossy with I showed you the nail polish, clear nail polish, just take your nail polish and just put it against it. You can get it in the cracks with all the berries and stuff in it. And this pie, I'm gonna call it the green apple pie. Then I have more pies that are blueberry pie and cherry pie. But that's how you use the nail polish. Like that. Just put it in between, like on the cracks and stuff. Then that's how it looks.